Alright, welcome back to my class. In today's class, I want to solve this question that we call exponential word process. Now, how to get the value of x here? Very simple. Solve the value of x. Now, I'm going to solve this question in the simplest form for you to understand as a layperson. Now, first of all, what do I do? I want to break this down in the simplest form. So this is as what? 4 to the power of what? X plus 2. Then add 4 to the power of what? This is now what now? X. Then add 2 and add 3 is equals to what? 65. You see that now? Because 3 plus 2 is still what? 5. Get that? So what I have 4 to the power of what? X add 2, add 4 to the power of what? X add 2 again. Now this one, the last step that, this particular one is now what? Dot 4 to the power of what? 3 is equals to what? 65. The last step I add a to the power of what? M plus n, this is equals to what? A to the power of what? M dot a to the power of what? N. See that now? So I've applied this law here. Now if you observe, you notice that this and this are common in this what? Algebraic process. This one here, and this one here, they are common here and here. So I'm bringing out this one out. I'll be adding to the power of what? X plus 2. Understand? Put it in brackets. What is now left here is what? 1. We'll not be having 1 because if I times it down, we'll get this one back, right? So plus what's left here? 4 to the power of what? 3. Close bracket is equals to what? 65. 65. Alright, so you notice that 4 to the power of 3 is 64, right? So we'll be having, for this case, 4 to the power of x plus 2 in brackets 1 plus what? 64. Close bracket is equals to what? 65. So let's come to this side here. So we'll now be having that 4 to the power of what? X plus 2. Understand? In brackets, what do we get here now? 65. We'll now be having 65 on additions is equals to what? 65. They are all products here. So what the next step is to do what? To divide both sides by what? The coefficient of what? The unknown. So we have divided by what? 65 and what? 65. So this will take care of this. Why this is equals to what? 1. So we'll now be having 4 to the power of what? X plus 2 is equals to what? 1. And you should know by now that if I add a to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So I'm going to make sure that this one look like this. I'll be having 4 to the power of what? X plus 2 is equal to 4 to the power of what? 0. See that now? So when I have equal base, what do? I equate the power. So in this case, I got now x plus 2 is equal to 0 from a to the power of m equals to what? A to the power of n. Understand? Therefore, m is equals to n. So from here now, it means that the value of x is equals to what? Negative 2. The value of x in this exponential process is what? Negative what? 2. Let's check if it's actually what? Correct or not. Let's check. Checking our solution to know if it is correct or it's just an assumption. Let's check. So, checking. So let's check. So when I have 4 to the power of what? Minus 2 is x now. Put it here. Minus 2 plus 2. Then plus 4 to the power of what? Minus 2 plus 5. Is it equal to 65? Let's see. So here is 0. 4 to the power of 0. Add 4 to the power of what? This is what? 3. 3. Is it equals to 65? Let's check and see. The last step that this is what? 1 plus this is what? 64. Is it equals to 65? It's very obvious it's what? Equal, right? So it means that 65 is equals to what? 65. So it means that the value of x in this initial process is what? Negative what? 2. Alright there. My name is Carlos and my job here is to boost confidence and drive minds. Kindly what? Like, share. Please do a subscription, subscribe to this channel, comment and what? Like it. Bye bye.